Hey there. We typically don't get political on this channel, but today we're going to be showing you how to replace your governor in an Alvarado Full Height Turnstile. I'm Grizz with the Turnstile crew here at Avant-Garde. We bring you the best tips, tools, and products to keep your organization secure and up and running. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to learn more. We also love hearing your suggestions and questions in the comments. As always, make sure that your power is actually off. Then you'll want to remove both covers to access your governor. We've already got the front cover removed. This back cover, for this video purposes, we've loosened our bolts and we just want to tip it back. With this on, this isn't going to slide off. So just being able to tip it back gives us access for that. So the first step after that will be removing your 2 screws on your top plate. Next, you'll just want to take your old governor, slide your key out, take your old governor, and just lift up. Your new governor will just slide right in. Your key will slide right down. Sometimes you've got to use a little force with that. Next, put your 2 screws back in your top plate. Some older models don't come with this new bracket, so that new bracket is included in the kit. If you need to replace that, it looks like this. And there's 4 screws on the side here just to swap that out. Last thing you need to do is power on the unit and test for proper operation, or as I like to say, properation. After replacing your old governor, you now have a new chew toy for Fido. If you need on-site service from one of our turnstile specialists, please contact our service department. If you feel like your turnstile is beyond repair, check out the link in the description for a list of full height turnstiles that are typically in stock at Avant-Garde. Hopefully you found this information useful. If so, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. If you have suggestions, please leave those in the comments below and feel free to message us anytime. Thanks for tuning in to the Turnstile Guys. See you next time.